Hebert. I'm a Marine Corps veteran, 3 trips to Iraq. I'm here to help this foundation, Wounded Heroes of America, because they've helped me. There's a lot of organizations that are just, using the wounded heroes and wounded vets as a ploy to help their cause, and it really doesn't go back to their vets. This foundation, it goes to your vets. Like, it's camaraderie. It's crazy how much it is similar to being in the military still, and it offers purpose back to our life. Hanging with our other vets that understand us. Well, it affects my life almost daily, from sight to my hearing, concussions, sensitive to light. I'm talking like my appetite, everything. It's tough. Take care of it when you're young, though. I'm doing that now. Don't smoke. Gotta help your vets out. Gotta help your vets out. Wounded Heroes, they actually do help the vets.
My name is Jonathan Andrade.
Nice.
I served from 2001 to 2009.
Nice. How has the Marine Corps affected your life?
It's affected my life in a drastic way, both positively and it's taught me a lot. Well, this one is it's a little bit special from others because the other fireworks stands, they have an agenda to fill their own pockets, for their own reasons. But this one is different because it's filling our organization's pockets, with money that we need so we can support each other and have events and just bring more awareness to the community that, PTSD and TBI, it's a real thing.
We're located at the Glencourt Plaza right off the 405 and Rosecrans. The street is Hendry Avenue. Come buy some fireworks. For America. Woo!